What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video today. We're at the flea market. So stay tuned for my next video where I show off this $50,000 video game collection.
Yep.
How much for this, Troy?
I'd probably put 20 bucks on it.
Thank you. Alright guys. Hopefully this thing actually works. Like it could just not work, you know. Oh, excuse me. It could obviously not work, but it looks to be in pretty great condition. I think so at least. It looks to be solid condition. It could not work obviously.
A little slower than normal. No, totally, yeah. I mean, it's pretty good stuff.
I bet that calculator's worth money. I know those calculators are expensive in school. Alright everybody, that 3DS was a pretty cool find to get. That was literally, I saw the exact one. It's a black 3DS or 3DS XL or whatever. It sells for like 200 bucks. I saw one that sold for $279.99, literally with free shipping, which doesn't matter because it costs like no more than like $7 to ship that, if that. I need to find a charger though, because they said recharge in the ad. So it'd be really cool to actually be able to charge it right now and see if it works. Like it looks like it's in great condition. I really do feel like it's gonna work though. How much in the games? All right. How much for this? Alright. I'll go $5 for it. How about this? Alright. $2 for this thing. I have no idea the value of books. I just know Harry Potter, you know. You'll probably buy that, the complete set, right? This one, I don't know. I don't really know much about it. It's a sealed book. Let's just scan it. Let's scan it, it's sealed. So you can't go wrong if it's sealed, right? Yeah, 20. Let's start on top of it. Alright. It's $12. Oh, alright.
I like watching you and your dad's videos.
Oh, you watch this? Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hell yeah.
You have a good day.
Yes, sir.
You post online?
Huh?
You post stuff online like eBay and stuff?
I mean, that's worth money and not worth bringing out here. My wife throws for me. She throws it on eBay for me, you know what I mean?
And Facebook Marketplace is good too.
Marketplace and offer up, you know what I mean?
He did Marketplace recently. He gets like a bunch of people messaging him now there. He started doing that a lot more recently.
Yeah. I've been doing the Marketplace, you know what I mean? You get a lot of hits.
Yeah. Especially like bigger furniture and stuff, because furniture doesn't do too well out here. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. You too. All right. You got a pretty good deal from him. He said he watches our channel, probably mostly my dad's, but yeah, that'd be cool if he watches mine too, right? I appreciate the deal though. Of course, I don't need to scan the Harry Potter books right now. I want to, but I don't have the hands to do it. It's probably a good sale. It says $86 on the box itself. That's in store, of course. It's for surely not selling for $86, but a solid $30 bill. Yeah, it's not big. It's solid $30 though. Would be pretty cool, right? I wouldn't be surprised if it sells that much. I think those pretty light. How much on this?
Aunque no quiera. Aquí $8.
You said put it they can put it in the game.
Alright, I don't think my normal people that I see have like the games and stuff, the DS's and such, are out here. They don't only have like a DS charger. I want to test that DS. How much are you asking on this? How much?
$35.
Alright. Thank you.
Good.
Not bad, little buy there too. I like bought a couple of these before. I think I've sold one or two.
I'd probably hit it for like. So profit. You know what I'm saying?
There was only one gold bracelet in there.
But that one depends on the amount. I mean, I don't know. What do you think is fair?
I don't know. I don't have it.
How much you doing for this?
It's a neighbor's one.
Oh, okay. It's worth about like 10 or 15 bucks, I'm pretty sure. And that's the end of the video, guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Literally $50,000 in video games. Put a heart in the comments, and peace out, y'all.